everyone, a change of scenery. Welcome to my kitchen. I love the new change of scenery, love the glow that the natural lighting is doing for my skin. Funny how much natural lighting, good lighting that is, can do so much for your face. I have a couple of breakouts on my face right now. Also too, I did a little bit of a different intro. Some of you guys may recall I did do a story video showing you guys how I made this tea. So many DMs of people asking me to do a step-by-step video on how I actually made the tea. I hope that you guys enjoyed the little intro that I did, and I am joining you guys with some tea as well, the exact same tea. For the ingredients to the tea, I did include it in my story highlight under I Love Cooking. I will also include it in the description down below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to shoot them in the comments and I will be delighted to answer them for you guys. So for this video, I was thinking that we could do a little bit of decluttering. I've got some items that I wanted to show you guys, and there will definitely be some cooking. Oh, right, so I wanted to show you guys this bathrobe that I recently purchased from H&M, and I am loving it. I love the textures, I love the color, and it's quite comfortable, very kimono style, and it's pretty long as well. Now that I got this one, I'm thinking of getting rid of some of my old bathrobes that I have that I don't necessarily need anymore. This is so not a sponsored post, but I just wanted to let you know that I approve of this bathrobe. If you do come across this bathrobe on the H&M website, girl, I'm telling you, please get it. It also comes in a white and as well as this color. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I should have gotten the white as well. I'm gonna keep my eye out on it just in case if it comes back, I may get the white also. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing some decluttering and as well as show you some items that I purchased recently from this one brand that I just can't get enough of. I have been putting out decluttering this closet for some time now because as a content creator, you're so busy and you can lose track of time. So it happens to the best of us, but I would not trade creating content for anything. This closet right here is filled with our jackets and coats, mostly Mike's jackets and coats. This man has so many jackets and coats, he barely wears like a quarter of them. Most of these outerwear are gonna go downstairs in the basement, not in a bin, but just hanging on a clothing rack. This is for spring and fall, and then this one is his favorite. Just wanted to mention that if you have a man out there looking for a jean jacket, definitely keep your eye out in Zara because they have some really nice ones. Okay, all clean, much better, and I just left the jean jacket and a couple of raincoats for us, and I have a clean closet. It has been on my to-do list. Now that it's done, I can go about my morning, have a shower, and then make breakfast. So I've got these 2 green plantains in my fridge, and I said, why not make la bouillie banane? La bouillie banane is filled with a whole bunch of nutrients. I could remember my mom saying this to me growing up, and she would always say, you have to drink this because it is so good for you. The only difference is that my mom actually cooks it with dairy, so she would put the carnation canned milk. However, my milk is going to be plant-based and I'm going to incorporate some coconut milk as well. I feel like it's still going to be delicious. It's definitely not going to taste like your traditional la bouillie banane, if you know what I mean. If you're Haitian, girl, holla. You guys know what I mean. But at the same time, I feel like it's still going to be good just because of the coconut. The coconut is the secret. If you like coconut, use coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, use a different type of milk. I'm also gonna be using another type of milk that I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. Actually, there's so many things that I miss about Haitian food. Let's not get started on that. Let's get started into making this la bouillie banane. Let me show you guys exactly how I'm gonna be making it. So I'm excited to see how the clothes fit and how they are. Here's the way that Maniere de Voir is written on every single package. So I ordered a lot of denim. Every spring, I always get excited for denim. So I ordered some black denim, some blue denim, and then lastly, I ordered this corset. I'm obsessed with corset and I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so let's go. There was also these two necklaces that I ordered. I love the way that it's packaged. I thought it was kind of neat, very, very unique. I went with the black one. I also went with this nice marbled color. And here is the black necklace that I wanted to show you guys. It's a pretty unique necklace, and I would say that definitely a necklace that I can wear every single day. There is a clear in this, and I'm contemplating whether or not I should get the clear. I might go ahead and purchase the clear just because clear does go with everything as well. Same with the other two colors that I have, which is the black and the nice neutral marbled color. This was the first piece that I wanted to show you guys. It's this nice corset. I love the pretty unique color that it has. It's almost like a gray bluish undertone kind of color. I love corsets, and the sleeves, they can be open, but they can also be buttoned. I like the way that it falls on my arm. It's a little bit tighter at the top of the arm, kind of like a bubble sleeve, which is amazing. I thought these were wires, but they're actually not. There's no wiring going on in the corset, so it's really, really comfortable. I can see myself wearing this to a nice event, a nice dinner out. I love, 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 and definitely recommend it. The quality is A1. So the back has a zipper, and it wasn't easy for me to zip it up myself. That is one thing that I will definitely mention. So if you do wear this top, you definitely will need help to zip it up. So I also got this little dress in a size 4. I thought that it was pretty unique. I like the fact that the denim was only in the front, and then when you turn around in the back, it's like a regular dress. It's very comfortable, very stretchy material. It's more like a denim, and I just like the unique two-piece set. It really does look like I'm wearing like two separate denim pieces, a skirt and a corset top on top of a mesh dress. The front of the dress is actually sheer, and then the back of the dress is not sheer at all. And then the distressed look around the edges of the denim as well. And I wore it with these sandals that I got from Zara quite a long time ago. Thought that this dress didn't really need anything too heavy, something very simple. So this was the next item that I wanted to show you guys, is this nice pair of denim washed out black jeans. They were very unique. Received it in the package with the buttons like this, but the buttons are actually meant to stay open, similar to how I saw the model wear it. First thing, let's admire the detail before I get into talking more about the jeans. I really like the way that the name of the brand is written around the elastic band, and this elastic band is definitely made to cinch your waistline. So if you want to have a thinner waistband look, this might be the jeans for you. So this is how I saw the model wear it. What an edge. This definitely has an edge to it, and it's very unique. That's exactly why I purchased it. I felt like I did not have jeans that looked like this. As a lot of you guys say, my style is very edgy, which I don't disagree, and this definitely does the trick for me. So let me talk about how comfortable these jeans are. That is something that is definitely important to talk about, because some jeans do require for you to break them in order for you to feel good and for them to take up your shape a little bit. But in terms of sizing, I'm not sure. I feel like perhaps if I had gone a size up, maybe it would have fit a little bit better. But I do like the fact that it's super unique. I mean, the waistband fits properly, so I can't imagine that a size up would do me any good. And even with the elastic band, I still have a little bit of room left. Like, I can fit my hand and go around my waistline. I don't know. But I thought I would show you guys. I actually really like it with this top. This top is from Zara. It's denim as well. I paired it up with a black bralette that I felt like would match with the same type of material as the waistband, a part of the jeans, which kind of looks really edgy. And then I just wore it with one of my favorite black heels. Thought that it was really sexy. I know that someone will eventually ask me, so I said, well, might as well just talk about it in this video. So I wore this top along with these pair of jeans, and it is actually from Zara. I thought these two pieces were quite unique. Only thing that I thought was a little bit uncomfortable was the neck. I actually had a hard time fitting my head through the neck. It's like, girl, you got a big ankle and you got a big head that can't fit through clothes. Like, especially if I'm wearing makeup, it makes my job a lot harder to fit into the top. But once the top is on, hey, listen, like the style is definitely there. It's got this nice edge to it. Like I said, I am a big fan of anything that looks edgy, stylish wise. The best part about the pants is the pocket, and most importantly, the color. The only thing that I wish is that the pants were not as long. I find that the pants are so long. The fact that I'm wearing really tall heels right now is what's really helping me. Otherwise, if I wasn't wearing these heels, I would need at least, I would say, 2 inches off of these pants for me to properly wear them with sneakers. But then why wear them with flats when they look this good with a pair of heels? Plus, I do love to give myself a couple of inches that I really do not have. So that makes me 5'7". I love these two pieces together. It was such a nice purchase from Zara. I'm really hoping that they will have items like this in the near future. I'm gonna be cooking this curry dish, something that I haven't made in quite some time but been dying to make. It's just chicken with a lot of vegetables. I just want to make a dinner fun for Michael, as he's always looking for different ways to incorporate his vegetables. It's just really nice to make everything tasteful. Okay, so let's get started into making this dish. So I'm going to end the vlog right there because your girl is hungry and I feel like now I have to go take a nap. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.